Good day, sir. I am Vincent Masayan, a BSIT second year student, and I'll be doing a video record that will simply discuss the importance of set and how it is working as a data structure. But before that, let me explain first what is set and what is data structure. A set is a collection of objects need not to be in any order. It is just applying the mathematical concept in computer. There will be rules in set. First is each element should not be repeated, and the second one is each element should have a reason to be in set. So let's proceed to the data structure. Data structure is a mechanism in which data is processed and stored in a disk space of the device or memory storage in such a way that data can be conveniently used and manipulated in the future. It is an important way of running a range of data processing operations. With a sufficient understanding of data structure, the data can be structured and processed properly. Data structures are structured to organize data for particular purposes in order to access and execute operations in an acceptable manner. There are two main types of data structure. First is the primitive data structure, and the second one is the abstract data structure. Let me define first what is primitive data structure. The definition for handling certain types of data, including Boolean and char, float, integer, and etc. in an efficient manner, it is called the primitive data structure. And the second one is the abstract data structure. There are some complex types of data, such as tree, stack and queue, linked list, and etc. The idea of dealing with a large volume of data that is complex and interconnected is called abstract data structures. There will be two types of abstract data structure. First is the stack, and the second one is the queue. So let me define first what is stacks. Stacks are a basic data structures that allows element to be added and removed in a particular way. While queue is a different type of abstract data structures or a linear data structure. In this type of structure, when an element is to be inserted, it is made from rear end, known as the tail. When an aspect is omitted, it is done from the front end, known as head. It fits the definition FIFO, or means first in, first out. The process of adding an element to the data structures known as in-queue. The method for removing an entity from the data structures known as DQ. And it was asked on the question, if possible, relate the topic or the paradigm to a situation or a scenario. So here are the examples. For the example of stack, you need to store and do or redo operations in a word processor. For the example of tree, to store a possible moves of a chess game. And that's the end of my video record about the importance of set and how it is working as a data structure. Once again, this is Vincent Masayon, a BSIT second year student, section 2C. Thank you.